Cars Garage. In this video, I'll be working on the Serpent SRX8 GTe long wheelbase, bag 11. Final assembly, the rear body mounts and diffuser. So let's get started. I love how they include the rear diffuser. I think that's an option part for the X-Ray I built right before this one. Some trimming needed, so take note of that. Alright, so for this particular part, we're going to need the rear diffuser. We're going to need this rear body mount. Not much, I don't think there's anything to really trim on this, so we'll leave that as is. So start with the diffuser first. We're going to need 3 M3 nylock nuts and 3 M3 by 10 flathead screws. So let's go ahead and install the nylock nuts in the diffuser itself. Let's use some pliers to help encourage the nuts to go into place. So I'm going to be at the rear of the vehicle. We're going to install, there's a cutout on the bottom of the diffuser, which is going to line up with this right here. So we can flip the car over and then we can install the diffuser just like so, and install using the 3 M3 by 10 flathead screws. And that does look beautiful, by the way. Alright, so next we can install the body mount piece here. It looks like it's going to be swept backwards, like in this position, like so. We need 4 M3 by 18 flanged screws. And why are they Phillips? This build was going so well. Why are they Phillips heads? I don't understand. But anyway, so this is going to install in this orientation here, and the screws are going to go in from the sides. So the screws are going to go in from the side like so, and screw in to this right here. Alright, so now I can install the body posts, and definitely need to trim these pieces. So these are going to install the same way the ones in the front did. We're going to use this pin, it's a 2x14 pin, and we're going to install it in this little rest, and then in the second hole from the top. So shows the body post going on the outermost positions, and doesn't really say where to install it, so I'm going to leave it kind of on the high side, or maybe I'm going to install it kind of in the middle. And then looks like I'm going to leave probably 9 holes from the top. Do the same thing on the other side. So that basically concludes the portion of the build that's actually in the manual. It doesn't really talk about setting up the body or putting on the straps for the batteries. I got the batteries, so I'm going to go ahead and get that installed and adjust the batteries Kind of surprised they didn't include any spacers, or if they did, I missed them in some of the bags. And let me grab my wheels as well so I can record that. So I've got these GRP GTX03 XM7 wheels. Kind of surprised that these wheel nuts are not serrated. So I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on because I don't want these to fall off at 100 miles an hour. So it comes with these battery straps, and I end up using these batteries. Kind of disappointed in their battery mounting method. Doesn't really do justice to the rest of the build. So pretty disappointed with this battery strap or hold down system. It seems kind of an afterthought. It's kind of like the rest of the car is such a beautiful design and build. I just feel like they really cheaped out on this. Okay. Well, that's basically the build. I hope you enjoyed the video series. I hope you found it helpful. Whether you have one or you don't have one, I think it's kind of cool to be able to see some of the cars that are kind of rare. Or, I mean, I've never actually seen one of these in person. I haven't actually seen a Serpent in person, so it's kind of cool that I was given the opportunity to build one. Hope you enjoyed the video series. Please stay tuned for the next video where I do a wrap up of the build and kind of tell you like my review in terms of the build itself. And then I'll probably compare it to the X-Ray GTXE that I built not too long ago. So stay tuned for that. And if you're in the market for one of these vehicles, maybe it'll help you decide which one you want, what's the best fit for you. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. It does help the channel. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.